How to fix lag in Wuthering Waves mobile. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix lag in Wuthering Waves on mobile. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, tap and hold onto the application. Then here simply click on app info. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see an option named clear all data. Simply click onto it. Then here click on OK. After that, all your data on the application will be deleted. Then you will simply need to re-log in into your previous account and all of your data will be restored. So with this very simple step, you could fix lag in the application. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.